pounds per square inch in total dynamic head. Two common descriptions of pump pressure are PSI and TDH. PSI is usually associated with positive displacement pumps and TDH with centrifugal pumps, but the terms are interchangeable. PSI is usually stated in gauge pressure as PSIG, the pressure you read on a pressure gauge. Negative pressure is usually stated in inches of mercury vacuum, HGV. These are common values used in America, but pressure can be translated into metric and other terms. Differential pressure is the difference in pressure across the pump. Differential pressure is used for pump and motor selection as it is the actual pressure the pump sees. dP is the pressure on the suction side of the pump plus the pressure on the discharge side of the pump in relation to the desired discharge pressure. If 50 psi is the desired discharge pressure and you have plus 10 psi on the suction side, the pump needs to develop 40 psi for the total discharge pressure to equal 50 psi. Likewise, if the suction pressure was negative 5 psi, such as a suction lift application where the liquid level is below the pump would have to develop 55 psi to achieve the total discharge pressure of 50 psi. PSIA is pressure per square inch absolute. This takes into account atmospheric pressure. 0 sig is equal to 14.7 PSIA at sea level or 33.9 of water column. TDH or total dynamic head is another common term for describing pressure across a pump. Every 2.31 of vertical level equals 1 psi for water and liquids with a specific gravity of 1. For liquids heavier than water, the pressure exerted is greater for the same vertical level. For example, a tank with 23.1 of water level would read 10 psi on a pressure gauge at the bottom of the tank. With a liquid with a specific gravity of 1.2 at the same 23.1 feet level, the pressure gauge would read 12 psi, and a pressure gauge would read less for liquids lighter than water.